Hi guys, Mortgage Mark. Let's talk credit 101. Mortgage industry, we do pull credit reports, guys. It is a hard inquiry. It won't hurt you the same way it will if you go apply for like a credit card. Home and auto industry, they make it to where they want you to be an informed consumer so you don't have to feel hostage by one institution pulling your credit. Along that lines, guys, Mortgage World, we use the mid score. We throw at your high, we throw at your low. So Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, we use all three. Whichever one's the middle score is what we're going to use. With two borrowers, we use the lower middle score of those two individuals. Also, guys, when you give us a shout and say your credit score is X, realize you as consumers are seeing a different scoring model than what we see. The mortgage industry uses a FICO scoring system. So what that means is you as a consumer, you're most likely looking at what may be called like a Vantage Scoring system. And think of it like in just a different grading model. The numbers can go up higher. So more often than not, when you get a mortgage person to pull your credit report, it's going to be a slightly lower score than what you think. And that's normal. So just realize that big picture, we're going to look at the history of what you're doing. Different programs have different score requirements. So there is no like magic score you have to get. Certainly different lenders, investors, things of that nature. They have different cutoffs for where rates might be, but that's going to be so specific that we're not going to cover it here. Down below, a lot of good helpful information, guys. There's 5 things that determine your credit score. Check those categories out. Also, did you know there's a do not solicit? Crazy enough, when your credit gets pulled, the 3 bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, they will actually sell your information to solicitors. So in other words, if you get your credit pulled and all of a sudden you're getting a whole bunch of calls for mortgage stuff or to refinance this or do that, realize, guys, it's because you don't have your name on the basically do not call. So that's down below. If you guys have any questions, call us. We'll be happy to walk you through it, but certainly check out the sections and call us with any questions.